Hey everyone, have you ever thought about jumping into the world of cryptocurrencies but found yourself puzzled about where to start? Well, today we're diving into one of the most important first steps, setting up a crypto wallet. Whether you're a complete newbie or just need a refresher, stick around as we break down everything you need to know about crypto wallets. What is a crypto wallet? Let's kick things off by understanding what a crypto wallet actually is. A crypto wallet is like a digital bank account for your cryptocurrencies. It doesn't store physical coins, but it does hold the keys you need to access your cryptocurrency holdings. These keys are what you use to send and receive various types of cryptocurrencies from one wallet to another. Types of crypto wallets. Now there are mainly two types of crypto wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are digital and stay connected to the internet, making them easy to access but a bit more vulnerable to online attacks. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline and much more secure from online threats. They can range from hardware devices to simple pieces of paper with your keys printed on them. Why do you need a crypto wallet? You might wonder why a crypto wallet is essential. The main reason is security and ownership. Having a crypto wallet gives you control over your digital money without relying fully on third-party services like exchanges. Exploring wallet types: software, hardware, paper. Let's take a closer look at each type. Software wallets. These include mobile apps, desktop applications, and web wallets. They are generally easy to use and accessible from various devices. Hardware wallets. These are physical devices that store your crypto offline. Popular options include USB-like devices such as Ledger and Trezor. Paper wallets. The most basic form of a cold wallet. It's literally your private keys printed on a piece of paper, offering offline storage. Key factors to consider. Choosing the right wallet should be based on security. How well does the wallet protect your keys? Convenience. How easy is it to access and use the wallet? Supported coins. Does the wallet support the cryptocurrencies you're interested in handling? Backup options. Does it provide a simple way to recover your wallet if something goes wrong? Recommended wallets for beginners. If you're just starting, you might want to consider easy-to-use software wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. These are designed with beginners in mind, offering a good balance of security and user-friendly features. Setting up a software wallet. Here's how you can set up a typical software wallet. Download the app from the official site or app store. Install and open the application. Create a new wallet account. Set up a strong, memorable password. Write down your recovery seed phrase securely and never share it. Complete any verification required by the app. Optionally, add funds to your wallet to start using it. Setting up a hardware wallet. For those opting for a hardware wallet, unbox the device and connect it to your computer. Download and install the necessary app or software from the manufacturer's official website. Follow the on-screen instructions to secure and back up your wallet. Additional safety tips. Always back up your seed phrase in multiple secure places. Use two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing your crypto. Never disclose your private keys or seed phrase to anyone. Sending and receiving crypto. To receive crypto, simply share your public wallet address. To send crypto, enter the recipient's address, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. Quick recap. So what have we covered today? We've explained crypto wallets, discussed different types, highlighted key factors when choosing a wallet, and walked you through setting up both software and hardware wallets. And that's a wrap on crypto wallets. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Got a question or want more content like this? Drop a comment below. And remember to subscribe for more straightforward tech tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.